Hello everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we'll introduce how to use the built-in version control feature in software and how to switch between different project version branches. In many design projects, we often encounter situations like this. For example, when working on the same PCB design, we may need to compare multiple design solutions or continuously iterate at different stages while still keeping historical versions for review or rollback. In such cases, the version control feature becomes very important. Let's take a look at how it works. First, click File in the top menu bar. Then, in the drop-down menu, you will see a new feature entry, Version Control. When you hover over it, several options will appear. The first is New Branch, which is used to create a new version branch based on the current project. In simple terms, it's split off a new path from the current state. You can freely modify and test different design ideas on this branch without affecting the original main line, making it ideal for design comparison or experimental changes. The second is New Node, which is typically used to add a new checkpoint along the existing version evolution path. It's like manually saving a key state. For example, when you finish a state of layout optimization or about to try a new routing strategy, you can create a node to freeze the current state, making it easier to roll back or compile later. The third is version management, which opens the full version management interface. Here you can clearly see the project's entire version history structure, including relationships between branches, key modification nodes, and your current position. You can also switch versions, roll back to a previous state, or manage different branches in a unified way. In addition, you can usually see the current active branch in the interface, such as main. By switching between branches, you can quickly compare different design outcomes, such as layout difference, routing optimizations, or even change caused by different component selections. Overall, the value of this version control system is that it turns the design process from a single linear flow into a structured evolution process that is traceable, branchable, and comparable. This not only reduces the risk of accidental changes, but also significantly improve collaboration and iteration efficiency. That's it for this episode. See you next time.